Welcome to Mi Descanso. Nestled in the picturesque town of El Bosque, Spain, Mi Descanso is a charming three-star hotel, offering a perfect blend of comfort and tranquility. This hotel is an ideal base for exploring the natural beauty of the Sierra de Grazalema. For booking and more information, just scan the QR code that will appear on screen or check the description below. Mi Descanso welcomes you with a warm atmosphere, perfect for a family getaway or a romantic escape. Check-in starts at 5 p.m., allowing you ample time to unwind after your journey. Checkout is until 12 p.m., ensuring you can savor every moment of your stay. The hotel caters to families, allowing children aged 0 to 1 to stay free of charge. Experience exceptional service amidst a cozy atmosphere, designed to make your visit to El Bosque truly unforgettable. At Mi Descanso, immerse yourself in relaxation and enjoyment. The on-site bar serves as the perfect gathering spot, offering a wide selection of beverages. Enjoy a refreshing cocktail, a fine wine, or a local craft beer. The hotel also provides a convenient shuttle service and free parking for all guests. Ready for a tranquil escape? Remember to scan the QR code to book your stay at Mi Descanso, where your unforgettable El Bosque experience awaits.